Are you struggling to land your first AI automation client? Imagine turning your skills into a thriving business, helping companies save time and money with AI. Today, I'll walk you through proven strategies to leverage your network and land paying client fast, without cold calling strangers, of course. And stay tuned because I will share two powerful success stories of how these strategies work in real life. I'm Grace. I'm a business growth strategist, profit maximizer coach, investor, multi-entrepreneur, and educator with 20 plus years of experience across real estate, finance, stock market, education, healthcare, wedding planning, and the salon and spa businesses. In more recent years, I've been heavily invested in AI technologies and cryptocurrency. So, what's the easiest way to get your first client? The answer is to offer free AI automation audit or consultation. Why? Because businesses love free value. So reach out to your personal contacts like family and friends. Ask if they know anyone who runs a business so you can pitch your offer to them. Reach out to your LinkedIn connection, Facebook groups, or even local businesses and offer them a complimentary assessment of their workflow. So you will then identify areas where automation can save them time and money and position yourself as the expert to implement the solution. And there is no need to feel embarrassed if you receive rejection. So leave your contact details and say thank you for their time and move on to the next one. And keeping in mind that there's always a chance that they change their mind. Feeling shy or ashamed or embarrassed? Don't be. AI is taking over the world in an incredible speed. It is actually a disservice for you to have the AI skills that these businesses need but not offering it to them. So it's the most common and biggest first challenge is to overcome your own limiting self-belief. Do an initial research on a particular business before approaching them so you know what their business is about, who their target audience is, and what manual, repetitive tasks they need to do frequently to serve their customers. And this is a crucial first step. Do not skip. And do this before contacting any businesses so you are prepared to explain and demonstrate your AI knowledge to simplify their operations and processes, saving them time, money, and energy. And this step is so important because it certainly will impress your potential first client and increases the likelihood of them signing up with you by 50%. And here's how you can do it. Send a simple message, just like, "Hey, I'm Grace. I'm launching my AI automation agency and would love to offer you a free audit to see how automation can help streamline your business. No obligation, just pure value. Would you be open to a quick meeting?" Now, let's talk about referrals. Your network is bigger than you think. Many business owners know others who could use automation, but they won't think of referring you unless you ask. Simply let your connections know you're starting an AI automation agency and ask if they know anyone who might benefit from it. And sweeten the deal by offering an incentive, like a discount on services or a small referral fee. For example, "Hey Michelle, I'm helping businesses automate repetitive tasks with AI, saving them hours each week. If you know someone who might benefit, I'd love an introduction. And as a thank you, I'm offering 20% off. And let me know if anyone comes to your mind." One of the fastest ways to meet potential clients is through business group. So join Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and even the local Chamber of Commerce meetings. And be active. Don't just lurk around. Share your insights, answer questions, and build relationships. When people see you as the go-to AI automation expert, they will start coming to you. Another untapped goldmine? It's partnering with marketing agencies, web developers, or consultants. So these professionals already work with businesses that could use AI automation. And by collaborating, you both win. They provide extra value for their clients, and you get warm referrals. For example, "Hey Sophia, I love the work that you do in the beauty industry. I specialize in AI automation, and I would love to explore ways we can collaborate to offer more value to your clients. So let's set up a quick call to chat." People love free stuff, so running a giveaway for a free AI automation setup or discount on your services can generate leads fast. Announce it on social media. Set entry requirements like tagging a business owner friend, or collect emails for follow-up. And if you want to attract clients who are eager to learn, host a free webinar or a workshop on AI automation. Teach business owners how automation can increase efficiency, and at the end, offer a done-for-you services. If they see the value but don't want to DIY it, then they will hire you. Speaking at events, even small ones, positions you as an authority. Look for local business meetups, conferences, or even online summits where you can share insights on AI automation. At the end, invite attendees to book a free consultation. Nothing sells better than proof. If you have automated anything in your own business, create a case study showing the results. Share before and after metrics, like how much time you saved or how much revenue have you increased, and post it on social media, your website, and LinkedIn to attract clients who want similar results. Another way is with reaching out to your past colleagues. Your past colleagues already know and trust you, and making them great leads. Send them a quick message asking if they or anyone they know could benefit from AI automation. For example, "Hey Leslie, hope you're doing well. I've started an AI automation agency, helping businesses streamline operations. If you or someone in your network is interested in saving time with automation, let's chat." And if you already have a business, use it as a testing ground. Implement AI automation, track the results, and showcase them to attract paying clients. And this is a powerful way to showcase your expertise. Now let's get on to success story number 1. How Sarah landed her first client with a free audit. So Sarah was struggling to land her first AI automation client, and she reached out to her whole network, including her LinkedIn network, and offering free automation audits. One of the business owners agreed, and after seeing the opportunities, they hired her to implement the solutions and bringing in $2,000 for her first project. Not so bad. And the key takeaways that we can learn from Sarah is offering free audits builds trust, and clients often don't know that they need automation until you show them. Now, success story number 2, how James built a 6-figure AI automation business through referrals. Now, James took a different approach. Instead of a direct approach, he focused on referrals. He asked his network if they knew businesses that could benefit from AI automation. And within 3 months, he had 10 new clients just from referrals, and turning his side hustle into a 6-figure business. And key takeaways that we can learn from James: Your network is a gold mine. Use it. Offering a referral incentive can skyrocket your client base. Now I want to hear from you. Which strategy will you try first? Comment below and let's start a conversation. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more of AI automation tips and sales strategies. Let's turn your skills into profitable business. Bye.